Hello guys, welcome to another episode. My name is Grace Kerry Mission, and if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. For my returning subscribers, thank you all for being here. I'm talking live from the village, bringing amazing videos here. Today we are going to share you how the village looks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. Continue supporting me. Thank you so much. Guys, and this is how they usually keep they usually pack it from the retail shops like if and the kiosks. So this is 1 kg, it's 160. Also I have spring onions here that we are going to make with the rice. So if you are outside there and if you are new here, consider subscribing. We are heading to 2,000 subscribers. Don't miss to subscribe so that you get another notification if I upload another video. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Watch until the end. Thank you so much. So what we have to do, we have to wash the rice first. We have to wash the rice first as this is how we wash it. And remember from the first videos, I know you are getting used to my kitchen here, so I have to wash it first, and this is how we wash it. Bring the camera closer, please. This is how we wash it. Yeah, we wash it. The rice is very clean, it's not that local. So we wash it and then we are going to and the water is already boiled. The water is already boiled, that's how it is. So consider subscribing, continue supporting me, that is it. So the water has already boiled and we are going to, first of all, and this is the oil that I'm going to use here. So we put the oil, a little bit of oil, and then I add salt. We are going to cook it in a local way. This is the salt that we are using. We add the salt. Because the water is already boiled, so I have to put the rice inside. This is the rice. So what you have to do is these are the spring onions, and usually I love for using them as by my cooking. So you have to cut them fast, and then we continue with the process. So, I love to cut them. See what they are. I'm going to use all of this. We have to cut them fast. What are we doing? So it's ready, so I have to put them aside. As you see, I have to put them aside. I have a carrot here, so I have to use the bigger side. This one, the bigger side, because I need such a size here. If I wanted the tiny one, I could have used this side here, but now I have to use the other one. Carrots. Pink rose, so I put the oil first. Because they are not that too much, I have to put, yeah. That is it. When it's going to be ready, I have to put the other. So this is the stuff that I'm going to fry, and this is the rice. You keep it covered, and those are the firewood. We are usually using them here at the village. So what I have to do, the oil is ready. I'm putting it like this so that the onions doesn't stack like. So first of all, I put the onions. I put the onions. So after that, we add the carrots. We add the carrots. Then we stir. Whee! Oh, it is delicate to use. Let me use the cooking stick. You stir like. After that, I had like a pinch of salt because with the rice, there is enough salt in the rice, so it's done it like this. So, so it is ready. I have to remove it. Oh. And then you have to keep the firewood because we lack like firewood at the village, so you have to put the firewood. We put them aside like this so that you can use them later, like this. You put them aside so that the firewood you're gonna use it in another time. Yeah. So what we have to do, we have to show you the way that I'm going to do it. So come closer. You put it like this all over. Drop a sweet comment if you have ever done it like this on your way, like, yeah, on your way, like. Yeah, that is it. It is now ready. It's now ready. You can see how it is. It is very much amazing. You can drop a sweet comment if you have ever done like this. This is yummy, yummy. It looks yummy, yeah. So now we are going to serve. Look how it is. We have to serve like this. So guys, mostly here we have this is our village road here. Also these are guavas, but the season is over already, and you can see this is corn here. It's like ready, but it's not ours. The corn is like ready. You can see even the birds have started eating it. Yeah, like I think they're going to harvest it like December, like, but other people were late, like. So let me take you somewhere. There are those people who are new in my channel, and maybe you don't know where I come from, and I'd have to show you around, because you may ask, wow, where is this girl comes from? Someone wants to build those solar concrete down there. Also the maize, they did it in a nice way, as I can see. Yeah. So let me take you around. This is we are going to the road. Our road here is a bigger road, like, but it is a Maram road. But it is a Maram road here. This is where it's like a door, but we have to step on it while we are moving. Like, oh sorry. So see, this is our Maram road. It's near our house here. Also these are some kells. So the road goes somewhere, maybe to Kisii, I think so. But then, so look here, also we have napier grasses, but they are such a small. Also the bananas, but they are not ready, like.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
See here, our main cash crop is tea leaves. Even up to there, those are tea leaves. Also we have small coffee here, but we don't usually, like, we have some little bit of the tree, coffee tree, like. Also we have tea leaves. And tea leaves here at our village, it's usually you like it's the one that provides our basic needs, like, yeah. So this one is not like ready, but while we are plucking it, we pluck like 2 leaves and a bud. Like, let me show you the bigger one, like this one here. 2 leaves and a bud. The small one is the small thing here is called a bud. Yeah. This is where we pluck it from. We get like school fees from these tea leaves here. We get school fees, basic needs like food, clothing, everything, like. These are avocados there. Avocados. Also, all over here you can see this is tea leaves. But there are other places like Nandi, they have like a big plantations. But ours here, we have like mixture plantation. Also, this is the coffee leaves here. So what's up guys, here your girl Grace Mission. This is an evening and I was just preparing some lunch, like it's an afternoon, and that seemed like I show you where I come from. There are those people who are new here and you don't know exactly what is at our garden here, as I can say, but then go from other videos, you can go and enjoy the other amazing videos that you will not stop even watching them. That's what I can say. But then this is a village here, and usually you find that there are some bananas, like, see, those are bananas there. There are also some, if you see trees, there are a lot of trees. I know that's why we don't even miss the rain here in the village, mostly in Aguguzi land. We don't miss the rain like every day. Even now it was raining, but it has already stopped. Like, yeah, it has stopped. So up and down there, as I can show you, like, so even that one was lacquered tree. There is a video that I had taken. It has some fruits. When they are ripe, they are like yellow, lacquered trees. Lacquered trees. So I think you may enjoy the video. Watch until the end. Consider subscribing if you have not done it, because we're just aiming 2,000 subscribers and more. Go subscribe, support your girl. Thank you so much. I hope I may end up this video here. Gonna do a video the plucking tea. There are those people who have maybe not seen the other video that we were plucking tea, cutting the tea leaves, the stems. Yeah, go and watch me and continue supporting me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Hope you have a peaceful time and let's continue praying to each other. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.